In this tutorial, we're going to have a look at how we export a selection. Usually when we do an export, we export the entire segment from 0 to the end of the program. In this case, we would just like to export parts of it. So I would like to export this region. To do that, I can right-click on it and say Export Selection. Now I can give the selection a name. I can choose where I want to export it to. I can choose which file format I would like to export in. In this case, I'll do a WAV file, and I'll just say Save. I could also choose to export both of these regions here. So Export Selection, do the same again, give it a name. Another way of creating a selection is by using in and out. I can either drag a selection, like so. I'm just going to press Escape now to clear this selection, or place my playhead and use I or Control 1 to make an in point.
Source. So we had to grab
and use O for out or Control 2 to create an out point. Right click on the selection, say Export Selection, give that a name, choose a file format and a destination, and say Save.